Well, hello everybody, Doug Rucker here again with DougRuckerSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. Hey, we're located right here in Houston, Texas. We're actually in Porter, right outside of Humble, Kingwood area. So, hey, if you're ever in this area, just stop in, even if to say hello. But today I want to talk about Tsunami air filters. This is what we use on the Kingslinger. So we're going to talk about that, how it works, how it operates, how to maintain it, all of that kind of stuff coming up next. Hey everybody, so yeah, I guess it's getting Kingslinger season again. We're starting to sell quite a few of these. We've been selling a few every month, but they're really starting to go out the door. So I've done quite a few videos on the whole operation of it, which you can see on the channel, but I wanted to talk specifically today about the Tsunami because two of their manufacturer reps are here with us. We've got Brad here, and we've also got Keisha. And Keisha is actually located right here in Houston.
Hello.
So I invited them to come in, and we want to talk a little bit about the Tsunami. They've actually got a cutout to show you what it looks like, how it operates, some things you can do to help maintain it, some things for you to look for, all of that kind of stuff. So I'm going to let Brad kind of take over and talk about their product.
Great. Thanks, Doug. Appreciate the invite. Yeah, you have this unit on your Kingslinger, and I wanted to talk to you today, just give you a little bit of better understanding of what's going on inside that purple thing on your unit. So this is a water separator. The water separator, the air comes in through this head, comes down the center tube here, and exit. There's a slot by these vanes. That air will then travel on the outside of this. Then it hits, there's some holes in the bottom of this baffle. It enters into this stainless steel mesh. So the stainless steel mesh can be cleaned. It's a low to no maintenance unit. Some of the common things that you will see happen if you're hearing some more air or more sound around that unit than normal. So if it is leaking or making a more audible noise, you're going to hear air coming out of here, which is I'll explain why. If you hear it right here, or if you hear it right here, these are O-rings at these points. So if it's leaking there, you need to get a service kit, change the O-rings out. If it's coming out of the bottom here, chances are it is a float drain. All these units come equipped with a float drain, and as that water sits down in this area, this float raises up, and the water will eject out the bottom. So inside of this, there is a little seat, and if you get particulate in there, it can stick open and cause that to leak air. So to fix that, you unscrew it like I just did. You can take this float drain off, and I'll explain what's happening there. So this is this cap is a machined aluminum cap. You don't need to replace that, but this is a replaceable service item. This is the float drain. This can be purchased through Doug Rucker's store, and you can simply unscrew that and replace it. If before trying that, I would advise taking some soap and water, soaking this in there, and just simply blowing it out with an air gun and trying to see if you can dislodge that particle that's stuck in there, reinstall it back on the unit, which is simple. A few seconds, you got that done. Put that back on there, and you just service the float drain. Pretty simple, pretty easy. That's a Tsunami water separator, machined out of billet aluminum, made in the USA. We make these in Minnesota. Anodized on the outside, inside, the head's anodized. It's a very robust unit, and get long life out of it. But thanks for having us. We appreciate it. If you have any questions, obviously reach out to Doug, and he can answer them. And we look forward to seeing you again in the future.
Now ours, the one that we use, is a little bit smaller, but it's basically the same unit. Correct?
Yep.
So the larger one that you see here is for?
Yeah, this is a 50 CFM filter. The one that's on the Kingslinger is the 20 CFM filter. But everything in here is exactly the same float drain, the same inner workings, just a smaller version for your application.
Perfect. Anything you want to add, Ms. Keisha? No?
That is it.
That's it? Okay.
You covered it.
Hey guys, hope it's been helpful for you guys. I just wanted you guys to be able to see what these actually do and have it kind of explained more from a technical standpoint. So if you ever see any of those issues, let us know. We can get you the parts for them. We also sell these on our store if you want to add this to your existing system, whatever it may be, if it will fit that application. Hey, don't forget our next hands-on school is September 12th and 13th right here in Houston in the Porter, Texas area. And then also don't forget about the online video school that I have with over 250 training videos. The price is actually going up soon, but we're going to have free tests, and it's all new software, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, you can check all that out at pressurecleaningschool.com. Y'all have an awesome day.
Good is the enemy of great. There isn't any reason why you can't take your good pressure washing business and turn it into a great exterior cleaning business.